Content.
What kind of content?
The best kind. This is all I am to you is content.
Say something.
I'm not your friend.
Wise. Oh.
I'm your YouTube channel content. I'm the extra 60% that he can't do on his own.
That'd be a good idea.
That's kind of rude, but okay.
That's a really good idea.
It's true though.
Sweet. Do something for YouTube,
I
Ethan.
can't see anything because of
Here.
the sun right now.
Like every other day.
Turn this way, then we'll blind them with 64 megapixels of UV rays.
Seriously.
I don't know how cameras work.
I don't think it's a matter of the camera. I think it's a problem with the display.
Dang, look at those legs.
You can't even mock this flat brim, brother.
Yankee with no brim. That's epic.
Ow. My head is not circular. Who would have thought? Not me, I don't think. See this?
Yes, Ethan. Throw it that way.
It's gonna fly better than Joseph's clothing style. That should tell you what he wears.
Epic. Generally, I don't wear
wearing
anything. Ethan knows.
No, a bit too much.
Oh.
Yeah. This is really excessive. I hope it makes for good content, and this will probably get you demonetized. I wonder if this would even work. This thing's like really dull. This is not gonna work.
Dude, you can literally squeeze them out the end.
I know, but like I want to use the sharp thing.
That's what she said. I might insert a Michael Scott clip there, because I can.
That sounds like it's gonna get you copyrighted.
It's not. It's transformative.
Yummy.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
I'm gonna avoid looking at the lens now so that I'm always like perfectly looking off frame for the entire video.
Epic. Go stab the church with your knife.
We are the church.
What's that Japanese form of suicide? Seppuku?
Yeah,
Commit
like
seppuku
that.
because we are
know,
the church.
But I don't.
Because you're a weeb.
This too is true. Vanity of vanity.
This is the content
vanity.
you
That's
get
about
because
all I
I'm
remember
lazy.
from like 4th grade Sunday school.
Bro, that was 6th grade.
There you go. Just remember, ladies and gentlemen, that's my D group leader. And his.
Oh, wow. It's very nice.
I'm a cool kid.
You are a cool kid.
Can't.
What's that one anime
Identify
chick
me.
who wears a mask?
I wouldn't know. There's a lot of them.
Okay.
I don't want your virus.
Hi, Reagan.
I am. I'm not.
Dude, we got 3 minutes. Yes.